Hello, viewers. You are welcome back to my channel. For those of you who have subscribed, welcome. And if this is your first time of coming across this channel, I crave your indulgence to subscribe to this channel because I bring to you contents that will keep you educated and informed in this Europe. Today, I'll be talking about a very important topic, and it is loans are getting cheaper in the EU, European Union. The ECB, which is the European Central Bank, as of last month, 2025, they reduced the interest rates by 25 basis points. What does this mean? It means that the interest they put up on loans, when bank loan money from Central Bank of the European Union, before they usually pay high interest rates, but now they reduced the interest rate to 2%. What does that mean for you? It means that when you go to any bank in the EU, European Union, or in Italy to borrow money, you will pay less interest. Note that the 2% interest rates, which the ECB, European Central Bank, has placed it, is for bank, not for you as an individual, is for banks to borrow from the central bank. Then the banks will fix their own little percentage because the banks will have to make profits. So they will add their own fraction of percentage so that when you and I, ordinary businesses, will go to the bank, like for instance, Postal Pay, Intensal San Paulo, Unicredit, and borrow money, we will now have to pay little above the 2%. As of today, some banks are taking 3% when you go get a loan from them, a long-term loan. Okay, why some are taking 3.5%? Okay, meaning that if you borrow 100,000 euros from a bank, you will be paying like 3%. Some banks 3.5%, just between 2.5% and 3.5%. So it's becoming very easy to access loans from banks now, and the interest rate is reducing. Experts are predicting also that later in this year, the interest rate will be reduced from 2% to 1.75%, meaning it will become better. So by December of this year, the interest rates, hopefully, according to forecasts, will become 1.75%. It will become better instead of the 2.0%, which is at now. Do you understand me? So the European Central Bank is now reducing the interest rates. They are trying to boost the economy so that there will be much growth in the economy. Now, migrants can get loan from the bank as long as they have other requirements like life contracts. That is why you need life contracts. So if you want to know more about the types of contracts, I recommend you watch the video I uploaded where I explained the different types of contracts. I will put the link in the description box below. So go and watch it. You will understand the benefits of having life contracts. One of the benefits is that you can access loan. You can go to any bank to borrow money. And because you have life contracts, they will give it to you. And another requirement is that you will have your permesso di soggiorno, your resident permit, okay? Your tax code, codice fiscale. So are you looking to buy a house? Are you looking? It's been a big dream to get your own house. Okay, it's very important in this country. You know how difficult it is to rent apartments. So, if you are planning to get your house, this is the best time. Although by December, January, early 2026, you will have a better deal because the interest rate will be reduced further. Okay. So if you are looking to buy a house, this is a better time, the best time to start considering it. In my next video, I will talk about the type of loans here in Italy. So there are different types of loan. I will educate you so you become learned, you become informed, and be able to avoid mistakes. Okay, but in this video, my major aim is to break the news that the interest rate is coming down and that this is the best time to start planning to buy your house. Let's take a practical example. As of 2023, if you went to the bank to borrow, for instance, 200,000 euros to buy a house, that is to get a mortgage, it's called mutuo, okay, in Italy, you would pay per month 1,211 euros per month, okay. But in this year 2025, the same loan is about, you will have to pay 1,109 euros per month. You see, it has reduced. If you took the loan in 2023, you would pay 1,211 per month. But because the interest rate is reducing, the same amount, 200,000 euros that you would go to borrow now, you would pay 1,109 euros per month. So for 20 years, let's say you took the 200,000 euros to pay back in 20 years. Now you'll be able to save 24,000. So it means that if you went to the bank to borrow 200,000 euros in 2023, the money you would have paid then will be less now by 24,000 euros. So going now is the better time because interest rate has reduced. So people that are borrowing now, going to the bank to borrow now, are getting better deal. Okay, they are getting better deal because interest rate is coming down. Now, people that will borrow in December, from let's say from November this year to early next year, 2026, they will also get better deal because the forecast says that the ECB, European Central Bank, will still reduce the interest rate further. Okay, that will make it better for you and I. So I believe you got this information useful. Hope you got something from this short video. I don't want to make it too long. So hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Share it with your friend. Those people that have been in this country for years, they have life contracts. They have a stable source of income. No need to procrastinate. You have to take action now. This is the best time to borrow. After now, from next year, let's say from June 2026, the forecast says that they will start raising the interest rates. So subscribe to this channel for more videos to remain updated. Okay, subscribe to this channel and subscribe to this channel. I will be bringing more educative videos. I will tell you the difference between mutuo and prestito personale. Okay, in Italy there is a difference, a big difference between mutuo and prestito personale. Okay, I will be bringing it up and I will tell you, educate you more on mutuo, the types of mutuo, and the one that will be best for you, how you can go about it, the steps, the practical steps you should take. Okay, it's very easy to buy your house here in Italy. So subscribe, give me thumbs up, and share with your friends. Ciao. See you in my next video.